Good morning, dear student. So yesterday I sent one of the notes to you. Now we are going to learn the next thing. First you are doing that in the 99. When you add 1, you got the 3-digit number. First 3-digit number. जब आप 99 के अंदर 1 को ऐड कर रहे हो तो आपको 3 डिजिट का नंबर मिल रहा है एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो 1 place added, that is 100 place. 3 places are there, 1's place, 10's place and 100 place. You learn already. If there is a 1 block of 100, it is called the 100. If there is a 2 blocks of 100, that is a 200, called the 200. Like that we are learning till the 900. Now what will be happen when I add 1 in the 100? Let's say it. Okay, so these are the 100, 1's place, 10's place and the 100 place. Now I want to add 1 in the 100. So plus 1. 1 is a single digit number, so that will be always come in the 1's place. 1 जो है एक ही डिजिट का नंबर है, इसलिए वो 1's की प्लेस पे ही आएगा जब आप एडिशन कर रहे हो. Okay, so 0 plus 1. 1. 0, here there is a nothing, so you can consider as 0 also. 0. 1, nothing here, so consider the 0. 1 plus 0, that is a 1. The next number from the 100 is the 101. When we are adding a 1 to any number, we can get the next number. जब आप कोई भी नंबर के अंदर 1 को ऐड कर रहे हो तो आपको नेक्स्ट नंबर जो होगा वही मिलेगा. सो दिस इज अ 100. दिस इज अ 100. What will be happen when you add 2 in the 100? 0 plus 2, 2, 0 and the 1. This is the 2 next numbers from the 100. Whenever you add 2 to any number, you got 2 next numbers of the given number. This is called this is a 101. This is 102. जिस तरह से 1, 2, 3, 4 आता था वैसे ही आएगा 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. This is the 110. What will be happen when you add 40? What will be happen when you add 40 in 100? So this is a 100. Now this is the 2-digit number, so this is the 10's place, this is a 1's place. So 4, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 1 plus nothing here, so you consider as 0, 1. This is called 140. 140. आपने ये सारे 1 to 90 नंबर्स आपने सीखे हुए हैं, 1 to 99, राइट. आपको सभी का स्पेलिंग्स भी आते हैं. यू नो द विच नंबर इज दैट. इफ आई एम आस्किंग विच इज दिस नंबर, सो यू कैन से द 50. दिस इज द 15. You know the both difference, but whenever you add 1 of the 100 place, so this is called the 150, this is called the 115. Both are the different things. Whenever you add 1, so you have to just add a 1 single line, that is a 100 in the 2 digits number. Now what will be happen when you add 1 in the 200? अभी तक हमने 100 का किया. क्या होगा जब आप 200 के अंदर 1 को ऐड करोगे? दिस इज द 200, दिस इज द 1. When you add 200 into 1. So let's do the addition ones, tens and the 100. 0 plus 1, 1, 0 and 2. This is called 201. दोनों वर्ड्स को कंबाइन कर दो, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. What happened when you add 3 in the 200? This is the 200 and this is the 3. So what will be happen? 0, 3, 0 and 2. This is called 203. This is called 203. Like that we can write down the next number. जैसे हमने 100 में सीखा कि आप लास्ट 199 तक लिख सकते हो. You know about the 99. I am writing here the 99. बट उसके आगे 1 है तो आप यहाँ पे ऐड करोगे 100. Which is the next number of 199? That is a 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 200. Like that you can get the next number via addition of the number or adding a numbers in the 100 values, so you can get the next number. Like a 250, this is called the 250. Same for the 300, 317. So it's a 317. 400 we can take a one example. This is the 75. 4 is 1 added, so this is for the 100 place, so call the 400. This is 475. Example for the 500. This is the 60 and we are adding a 100 place of 5, so call the 560. Okay. Example for the 600. So this is the 7, no value on the tens place, so you cannot be right for the tens value for that. This is the 6, that is on the 600. I am writing first here the 7 because we have only a ones place value, and add 600. Okay, next 787. So this is called the 87. So I am writing here 87 and adding here the 100 place there is a 7, so 700. Same for the 800. Okay, so this is the 10, so write here the 10, but on the 100 place there is a 8, so write 800. 810. Last example, this is the 99, so 99, and on the 100 place there is a 9, so 900. 999. Remember, 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Okay, so this is a simple formation of the number. Now let's see how can we add the blocks for these numbers. Okay, so let's start the formation of the 3-digit number using the 10 blocks. This is a first example, 245, that is called the 245. It will be represent like this. On the 100 place there is a 2, on the tens place there is a 4, and on the ones place there is a 5. This is the ones. On the ones place there is a value of 5. So first we have to be represented the ones place, and on the ones place there is a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Ones place represented. Now turn for this tens place. Represent the tens place. On the tens place there is a 4. 1, 2, 3 and the 4. So both place tens and the ones are represented. Now let's represent the hundred place. That is a 2. So we have to add the 200 blocks, 1 and the 2. So this is the block representation of the 245. Name is 245. Second example, 371. You can see here that 100 place, tens place and the ones place. So this is the on the ones place there is a 1, so you can see the red symbol. On the tens place there is a 710 blocks, and on the 100 place there are the 300 blocks. You can see represented on the yellow block. Orange means a tens place value, red means a ones, and yellow means a 100. This is called 371. Next, 522. On the ones place you have to be put the 2 blocks of ones. On the tens you have to also add the 2 blocks of tens. On the 100 you have to add the 5 blocks of 100. Count it. If you are not able to count, just pause your video and count the blocks. This is called the 522. Next, 138. So on the ones there are the 8 blocks, on the tens there are the 3 blocks, and on the 100 there is only 1 block. 100 means yellow, tens means orange, and ones means a red blocks. Pause the video and count the blocks. So name is 138. 654. Ones place there are the 4 blocks. On the tens place there are the 5 blocks of 10, that is orange color, and on the 100 there are the 6 blocks, that is on the yellow color. So you can see the blocks. This is called 654. Next, 802. On the ones place there is a 2 blocks, that is color on the red, but you can see on the tens place there is a 0 value, so no need to put any tens block. On the 100 block there are the 8 blocks are there, so you have to be put the 8 yellow blocks of hundreds. This is called 802. Thank you so much. I will be share the notes of tomorrow for this video. Bye everyone. Have a good day.